Plotting confusion matrix for an image classification model. I built an image classification CNN with keras. While the model itself works fine, it is predicting properly on new data. I am having problems plotting the confusion matrix and classification report for the model. I trained the model using image data generator. This is the code for the confusion matrix and classification report. For the confusion matrix I get the rolling result, which seems to be wrong. The false positives and true positives are 0. For the classification report I get this following output and warning. I am trying to predict if an object is organic or recyclable. I have around 22,000 train images and 2,513 test images. I am new to machine learning. What am I doing wrong? Thanks in advance.
If someone got here like me because of similar issue, there may be several things that could help. Make sure you set shuffle equals false in your test set generator. It's better to set the batch underscore size to a divisor of your image count. If not, make sure the generator doesn't skip any images. Try training without augmentation first. There seems to be an issue where output of the predict underscore generator is not consistent. Try setting workers equals 0 if possible, like this. Predictions equals model.predict underscore generated test generator. Steps equals np.seal test generator.samples, test generator.batch underscore size. Verbose equals 1, workers equals 0. In my case the predictions changed each time I called predict underscore generator if I didn't do it. When you have only two classes you have to use predicted classes equals np.wherePredictions 0.5, 1, 0, instead of np.argmax y underscore pred, axis equals 1, since in this case np.argmax will always output 0. np.wherePredictions 0.5, 1, 0, returns 1 if prediction, 0.5 else returns 0.
To plot the confusion matrix, do the following. References. This URL. This URL.
I use scikitlearn plot underscore confusion underscore matrix. To use it I made a hack so when the scikitlearn estimator makes prediction don't complains because is a keras model. So, if model is a trained keras model. It works for me.
IF Johan 2 Simor, plias consider subscribing.